Hi everybody, my name is Christina. Thank you for watching and welcome to my channel if you haven't been here before. So tonight I will be cooking up some dinner and I can't wait to share this recipe with you. The recipe I will be cooking tonight is some baked codfish paired with some sautéed Mediterranean vegetables. This is an Italian inspired recipe and I'm just going to grab my cooking gear and I'll get started on those sautéed vegetables. The vegetables I have chosen for this recipe is potato, zucchini, red pepper, onion, garlic, and fresh herbs. I like to make sure that all the vegetables are cut really thin, that way they all cook evenly and they're all very tender. Okay, so I'm going to start off by adding my extra virgin olive oil into my pan. I did a decent amount because there is a lot of veggies and I want to make sure that they don't burn. After evening out my olive oil, I'm going to take my bottle over to my cutting tray, and this is a Jamie Oliver hack where you just pour the olive oil on top of the rosemary so it all infuses together. And then you also add in some balsamic vinegar and it just gives it an incredible taste and infuses everything around it. First, I am going to let the onions and some chili flakes and the rosemary and oil all cook together before I add in my veggies. I love everything about this dish. Look how beautiful all these colors are. So not only does it smell good, it's good for you and it looks beautiful. Now I'm going to add in my paprika, salt, pepper, and a little bit of dried herbs. But first, I'm going to go to my garden before I start off my fish. I am picking some fresh parsley and Italian oregano to add to both the vegetables and to the fish. And here's just a video of my little condo garden that I am so proud of. I am just prepping the tray with some olive oil. I'm going to spread that around with my hands and then I'll rub some on the fish as well. I have some sweet tomatoes here that I got from Longos. I'm going to take that excess oil from before and sprinkle it with some dried oregano, and those are going to go in the oven with the fish. Now I finally chopped all my herbs and I added some garlic to some of the parsley, and that's going to be part of my fish topping along with this butter. So I added some pepper in there and I'm going to mix it all together. I purchased these fish from Longos. It's codfish that's flown in from Iceland, so it's yummy. And now I added all my toppings on there. I added some salt, pepper, paprika as well, and poured on that butter and garlic mix. This dish is also very colorful and it makes me very happy. So I'm going to set the oven to bake for 450 degrees and let that heat up. The oven is finally heated and I'm going to put the fish into the oven for 12 minutes. I chose this time because I find that my oven cooks really hot, so I try to do it for less time, but you can adjust it the way you need to. I am now just checking on my vegetables. I'm so happy with them. Look how beautiful they're coming along. They're translucent, so they're cooking very nicely. Now I'm gonna prep a little charcuterie board with some wild boar salami and some Pecorino Romano cheese. I'm just gonna chop everything up, but once that's done, I'm gonna grab my fish because the 12 minutes is now up, and you can see how beautifully everything is cooked. It's still so juicy, but it has some browning on there. And now I'm checking on my vegetables. They're almost done, and I'm just getting ready to plate all my food. I've already started with the fish. I am so excited to eat this. Look how yummy it looks. I paired it with some pizza Taralli, some grapes, some pear juice, and some quality balsamic vinegar. It is finally time for the main course. I am so excited to eat this. It smells delicious. Thank you all for watching again. I hope yours turns out really well. Thank you for watching today, and please subscribe to my channel if you enjoyed this. Thank you.